Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video today. If you guys are new, welcome. Just go ahead and take a moment to subscribe if you haven't done so. So I am heading to Walgreens. It is Wednesday. Today. So there's a couple of deals I want to try. I did another video, I think 2 days ago, picking up some of the school supplies. I have not checked my Ibotta to see if they have reset for those, but there are some good Ibotta rebates on those if you want to pick those up. And there is a booster for spend a certain amount and then you're going to get back, I think it's spend 25 and then you're going to get back 10. Also, I do have another booster for the vitamins. So spend 30. I think it's spend 30, get 10. I'm going to pop these up on the screen, but I'm going to try to work with about 3 boosters today. The back to school one, which I'm going to pick up from another product. There's another creator, Lady Michaela. She posted that like the Band-Aids were working as part of those products. So I'm going to see if I find the Compede. So I went to another store yesterday, didn't have it. I'm going to try to see if I have the Compede. We have a store coupon. And I'm gonna do the Band-Aid deal as well. Those are on different promotions. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and see what they have available in store. And of course, the Crest is no longer printing the $6 for me. I did it 2-3 different times now. It's not printing the $6. It's only printing the $4 one, which I'm not sure if it's a different coding for the different promotions. Anyways, so I think there was one more thing I wanted to tell you guys. I can't remember. I have a lot happening. Oh, this is going to be my last trip on this account to spend $50 and get back the $50 in Walgreens cash. This is what I wanted to tell you guys. So I'm going to be building up my transaction. When I say building up my transaction, I mean that I need to spend a certain amount where I can use Walgreens cash to pay, but I'm still meeting the threshold spending requirement. So if you guys need background educational, hit the teacher up, Michelle at My Own Identities. She teaches all of this, and go back to her old videos, get the foundation there. So meaning if I have to spend $50 out of pocket, right? So I'm doing the spend 50. So if I want to use $20 in Walgreens cash, I have to get my transaction up to $70. Now that $70 does not include store coupons, meaning like the IVCs or any store manufactured register reward. So any store manufactured register reward, those count against your total. If you're doing any of those, you want to make sure that you're over that. So this is a store manufactured register reward. So that counts against your total. This is blurry. Hopefully you can see it now. This counts against your total. So if I'm doing a spend 70 and I want to use this $5 store register reward, I want to make sure that my total is at $75. And then I can use 20 in Walgreens cash, and then that would leave my final cost to be $50. Now within that $50, your coupons count as money that you're going to be spending out of pocket, and your manufactured register reward counts as well. So manufactured register reward and store register reward. So 2 different ones, same idea here, but one is manufactured and the other one is store. All right. So and then if you have like a category register reward, like we have the makeup right now that's giving back the $5 when you spend 25 or spend 20. We have some of the medicine or whatever else, like the Icy Hot is giving the double register reward. That $5 store reward would count against your total. So that's what I mean when I say build up your transaction. So if I build up my transaction and I'm using $20 in Walgreens cash, that means that the other $20 of items that has coupons, whether it's $10 in coupons, $5, $3 in coupons, those coupons are going to count towards my spend out of pocket for my spend 50. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, let me know. I can explain that a little bit more. I don't have a paper booster to pair in with my deal today, so I don't need to use contactless pay, but I'm going to. It's just a habit for me to go through contactless pay. And I've said this before, with contactless pay, you want to make sure that you have a credit card in there. It doesn't work with a debit card. You have to put a credit card or any of those Visa gift cards that we get from P&G, from like the Listerine deal that we have happening, from, I don't know, Swag Bucks. I get gift cards from Swag Bucks. I used to get them from Fetch, but Fetch now have changed their limit, so I don't no longer get them from Fetch anymore. It's just too expensive to do that. Other than that, like any other gift card that you have, just put them in there. I like to use those because I like to have a burner card, meaning, oh, this video is gonna be so long, meaning that if my total doesn't come out to what I expect it to be, so when I get to the register, I know exactly how much I'm gonna pay, sometimes minus my taxes, but I know what my subtotal is without my taxes. So let's say it's $10 over, a coupon didn't come off, something rung up wrong. If I'm supposed to pay 10 and now I'm paying 20, I'm like, oh no, let's wait. So instead of putting a credit card in there that's gonna go through, then I'll put a burner card in there that no longer has money, so it's not gonna work. I still have to use cash, my own credit card out of my pocket, a physical one, or my Apple Pay card, which is sometimes what I use. That makes it much easier for me to keep track of what I'm spending, whatever. So use what works for you. So I don't want to make this too long, so that's why. So remember, store rewards, store register rewards, category register rewards, makeup, a medicine aisle, those count against your total, and any IVCs count against your total when you are building up your transaction. So when you're building up your transaction, make sure you have enough. If I want to use $50 in Walgreens cash, I want to get my total over $100. So typically I like it at 101, 102, just to be sure. And also, I think I've told you guys this in the past, sometimes for me, a store coupon, like a store register reward, would not work with a 20% off coupon for me. So I have this 20% off coupon. It is a store coupon, right? See, you say store, it's a store coupon. This would not stack for me. For some reason, it doesn't stack. However, I can stack this with a manufactured register reward. So if I had this 20%, I can stack it with this $1 manufacturer reward. This works for me. I know in some places you can stack two different store ones. Mine just doesn't work. So, and I'm okay with that. So if I'm doing the spend 20, the spend 50, if I want to use a store manufactured register reward, I'm gonna pick up items that are sell items, so I'm not using this 20% off. So this is really long. I just might do this in a different video. All right, y'all. Let's go into Walgreens. That's all I have. And then I'll show you guys what I'm picking up. See you guys when I get back. All right, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up the crest. Last time when I picked these up, they were not, the coupon wasn't coming off when I picked up more than 2 separate items. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up 4 of these at $4. And then hopefully that 6 off of the 4 coupon comes up off. These are not tagged, but I think they're the ones that are giving back the $4 register reward. So picking those 2 up. I've already used my Colgate toothpaste coupon, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of these at $4, and then I'm gonna get back the $4 store coupon. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this Nuriva Brain Health supplement. They are on sale price, but they're $32.99. We do have a $16 digital coupon, so I'm gonna see if I'm gonna pick this up. It is a high value coupon, but when you spend $30, you're gonna get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So I'm gonna see if I pick this up. I'm actually not sure yet if I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up, but there are different ones here. There's Brain and Eye. This is Brain and Brain Health. So I'll see if I pick it up. So yeah, so it'll come out really cheap because I'm actually gonna get back 15 in Walgreens cash. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the Icy Hot. They are $10.99, and then buy one get one half off. So these are the actual ones that I saw Lorena picked up that was giving the double register rewards. I don't see the one that I bought yesterday. I don't know what I picked up, but I think I picked up the patch, but they were not giving the double register reward. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick these 2 up. We do have a $3 digital coupon, and then we should get back the $4 for buying 2 and the $5 my Ibotta rebate. Not sure if it has reset. I actually left the phone with my Ibotta app at home. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. So everything here, I'm at $73 and some change. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the Scott. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the Scott because I still have my $1 digital coupon on here, and we have a $1.25 IBC. So with the Scott here, I'm only counting the $3.75 towards my total. So less coupon is $1.25. It's $5. So the final price that's gonna count is the $3.75. So I'm at $77 and some change. I'm gonna use a $5 store register reward. That'll take me to $72, and then I'll use 20 in Walgreens cash, and then we do have $3 coming off here, $3, $6, $16, and $1 coming off the Scott. So because the Colgate is giving a store coupon, I could use a different store coupon, but when I did the icy hot deal, I wasn't too sure what it was giving back. So just to be safe, I'm gonna take the Colgate out, and then I'm gonna add 2 of the small Dons for $1.24 each. When you buy 2, you're gonna get back $1 in register reward. So I'm gonna take out this Colgate and not use a store coupon, and then I'm just gonna do this first transaction. All right, so with everything, my total should come out to about $25.70. That's minus my coupons, and I'm hoping to get the $6, but a $4 printout here, a $1 printout here, hopefully a 5 and a 4 for the icy hot, and then I should get back $50 for spending 50, making that trick 6 times, and then I'm gonna get 7 for spending 25, and then I should get back $15 here for spending 30 on the vitamin product. All right, guys, so I've switched up my whole transaction because I didn't have the $3 for this here, and something else went wrong. I can't remember. So first transaction, I'm picking up the Brain Health, the Crest, and I've added the Venice. So that's going to be a little bit cheaper for me out of pocket. And on another transaction, and on here, if everything goes well, I should get back $82 in Walgreens cash. Woohoo! So on this next transaction, to put this other booster to use, I'm gonna go ahead and use and get 2 of these Band-Aids right here. They are $9.99, and we do have a $3 IVC coupon, as well as $3 coming back from Ibotta. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix and match with the other Band-Aid products that we have, and I do have a 3 off of 2 only for you of the Band-Aid, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that together so I can get over the $25 mark. And I forgot to mention that on the Band-Aid, they are spend 15, get back $5. This is giving back a store register reward, which is so for this spend 25, this is what I'm gonna pick up. I'm gonna throw in a Neosporin. They are $9.99. Can't see where I picked up this one from, but most of them are around the $9.99, and then the half off product should be this at $5.99, but $2.99 for the half off. So that'll take me to $12 and some change, and then these at $6.99 each, taking me to $13.98. So that'll be $26.98. Hopefully the 3 off of 2 come off here, and then I'm gonna add up some other things to build up my transaction. So here is my first receipt with the Crest, the Gillette. This is the men's. They didn't have the $12 ones available. Plus I had already used my high value coupon. So if you haven't used it, put it to good use. And then here is the vitamin, $32.99, and the women's one. These are register rewards that I use, $18 worth, the $16 for the vitamin, $6 of 4 of the Crest, $3 each of the Gillette. Total came out to $26.99, so $6.99 out of pocket like I was expecting, and then used 20 in Walgreens cash. So here's what I got back, $75. I said $82, but I had already used my $7 weekly booster. So I got back $50 for making 6 trips, $10 for the Gillette, and $15 for the vitamin products. So that was really, really good there. Here is the second transaction that I did. Hopefully you guys picked up where I messed up. I'm missing a register reward here. So the Neosporin and the Band-Aid. So these products are spend 15, get back the 5. I only spend $12.48. I was just so focused on spending that spend 25, blah blah blah. So here it goes. Here's the Fructis, the whole blend, the Dawn, the Compeed, with the IVC coming off there. And then for register rewards, I used $4 and $1. And then for coupons, here's are $3 here coming off the whole blends, $3 off the Garnier, and $1 for the Band-Aid. So the 3 off of 2 did not attach, which I thought that was gonna happen, but since it is an only for you coupon, I just thought it was gonna work, but it didn't. All right, so subtotal came out to $25.44. Used 20 in Walgreens cash, and then paid that out of pocket. Got the $10 for spending 25 on the Band-Aid and those first aid products. So thank you to Lady Michaela for this. What else? Yeah, I think that was it for this one. I did get back the $3 for the Fructis and $1 for the Dawn. No $5 for the Band-Aid. And here is the last transaction that I did, and I'll show you guys where I messed up here as well. Let me tell you, I just been doing too much all at one time, okay? So here is the Icy Hot, the Colgate, and the Scott here. So I handed her 2 extra register rewards for the $1 one. Like, why? Why did I do that? I don't know, but I did. All right, so here's that $3 register rewards and 4 of the $1 register rewards. $3 for the Colgate and $1 for the Scott. So subtotal came out to $18.23. I was hoping it'd be $20.23, and I'll use the 20 in Walgreens cash, but that's that. I didn't really get any points there, just the everyday points. So this is all that I have for you guys. Oh, let me show you what I got back. And y'all, don't forget to subscribe, okay? All right, so here's the $4 for the Icy Hot. Here is the $5 store register reward. I am so glad I didn't use the $5 store reward, because the other one said the same. I think I still have it, so I'm gonna verify the numbers to see if they're the same. So that means I probably did not get back the $5 for the school supply deal. I gotta check. I don't know. All right, and here's the $4 for the Colgate here, the store coupon there. So this is all I've got for you guys. This is everything that I picked up. I did a whole lot today on my lunch break, so now I'm eating my Chick-fil-A and I'm heading to work. I'll see you guys soon.